Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the Turn Off the Lights Vivaldi extension. If you're tired of distractions while browsing the web and want to enhance your online experience, this extension is a game changer. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open your Vivaldi browser. Once you have Vivaldi open, click on the V logo of Vivaldi. Then select Tools and click on the menu item, Extensions. A new tab will open with an overview of all the installed Vivaldi extensions. Below, you will see the Chrome Web Store link. Click on it. The Chrome Web Store will open in a new tab. And search for Turn Off the Lights. Select the first item, which is the stable Turn Off the Lights Chrome extension. Now, to install the extension, simply click on the Add to Chrome button. You might be prompted to confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. Vivaldi will then start downloading and installing the Turn Off the Lights extension for you. It usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. Perfect. The extension has been successfully installed. To activate it, you'll see a new button at the top right corner of your Vivaldi browser window. It looks like a light bulb icon. Click on it, and voila! The lights will dim, allowing you to focus on the content you're watching or reading. If you want to customize the extension settings, simply right-click on the Turn Off the Lights icon and select Options. From there, you can adjust various aspects such as the dimness level, add custom effects, and even configure keyboard shortcuts for quick toggling. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated the Turn Off the Lights Vivaldi extension. Now you can enjoy a distraction-free browsing experience with just a click. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.